For centuries, humanity has conquered nature, but this futuristic mountain network redefines global infrastructure limits. Evolving from European segmental designs to Asian megaprojects, this single-pier system redefines modern stereoscopic transit. Replacing rustic passes, this monolithic expressway accelerates integration across vital global economic corridors. Refining structural evolution, these continuous box girders eliminate traditional joints for seamless transit. Engineered for severe seismic zones, this industrial marvel secures an uninterrupted 100-year operational lifespan. Yet, bound by immutable laws, a slight miscalculated overturning moment can shatter reinforced concrete. When localized overloading forces single-piers past critical tipping points, engineering triumph becomes a kinetic failure. Navigating precarious terrain, responders face a multi-thousand-ton concrete mass, losing equilibrium against gravity. Echoing historical disasters, high-strength tendons snap under tension, propagating rapid fractures up the superstructure. This crisis proves modern infrastructure failures are rarely isolated accidents, but accumulated manufacturing discrepancies. To uncover this systemic failure, engineers trace the design matrix back to fully automated mega-casting yards. The linear assembly chain initiates at high-velocity cutting cells, where ultra-thick steel rebars are robotically processed. Advanced heavy-duty gantries lift thousands of interlaced bars, creating massive, dense structural reinforcement cages. Automated guide tracks meticulously feed high-density corrugated ducts along precise internal parabolic moment curves. High-pressure hydraulic formwork panels snap shut around the cage with immense mechanical clamping force. At the digital batching tower, automated ultrasonic systems regulate moisture for self-consolidating concrete mixes. Massive robotic distributor booms deploy fluid concrete steadily, flooding the heavy steel mold without interruption. Pneumatic high-frequency vibrators bolted to exterior molds hum intensely to eliminate microvoids and trapped air. Automated thermal enclosures slide over the casting bed, injecting pressurized steam for accelerated structural curing. Post-curing, automated X-ray ring arrays scan the massive gray box girder for deep internal structural discrepancies. Multi-strand hydraulic jacks engage anchor heads, tensioning high-strength steel tendons to hundreds of tons. High-pressure grout pumps inject specialized epoxy into the ducts, sealing tendons against atmospheric corrosion. Colossal 96-wheel transporters crawl forth, lifting the finished multi-thousand-ton concrete block smoothly. Laser guidance systems continuously monitor the girder's plane, keeping transport tilt below 0.5 degrees. Arriving at the erection site, futuristic launching gantries suspend the giant segment directly above single-piers. With the segment aligned, automated high-torque gantries lower the heavy box girder onto the pier head. Laser-guided placement systems adjust the matrix, targeting an installation tolerance of under 2 millimeters. The structure settles squarely onto elastomeric bearing pads, the singular points of vertical load transfer. Engineers insert high-tensile steel continuity bars through precast internal ducts to bridge adjacent spans. Automated hydraulic jacks perform secondary post-tensioning, clamping segment blocks into a unified continuous beam. High-velocity pneumatic pumps inject ultra-fluid specialized grout to permanently lock the continuity tendons. Robotic welding systems rapidly fuse structural longitudinal joints, creating a continuous, seamless, reinforced deck. Automated waterproof membrane sprayers apply a high-gloss, deep blue protective compound across the concrete. Digital diagnostic crews install advanced fiber optic piezo sensors along the internal cells of the girder. These real-time telemetry networks continuously track localized stress, thermal expansion, and microstrain variations. Heavy asphalt pavers deploy premium black composite wear courses, finalizing the pristine multi-lane deck. Robotic arms bolt down high-gloss white and neon green safety barriers, equipped with integrated LED lighting. The mega interchange opens, funneling dense industrial transport fleets along designated peripheral lanes. Yet, this single-pier configuration concentrates immense dead and live loads onto a singular central axis. As multi-layered heavy freight convoys gather on an outer lane, a massive asymmetric overturning moment generates. The eccentric live load triggers imbalance, transmitting an intense torsional shear force through the girder. The internal piezo network registers critical stress spikes, flashing severe strain alerts to telemetry panels. The massive overturning moment rapidly overwhelms the design threshold of the singular stabilizing dead weight. At the pier head, elastomeric bearing pads experience non-uniform compression, squeezing material to failure. High-strength anchorage wedges begin to slip as the sudden eccentric rotation deforms transverse tendons. The enormous lateral force tears through steel plates, initiating an unrecoverable longitudinal displacement loop. The multi-thousand-ton segment lifts on its inner edge, converting static equilibrium into dynamic rotation. Internal post-tension strands snap violently inside their ducts, releasing stored elastic energy like artillery. The sudden loss of tension causes a catastrophic shear crack to tear diagonally across the structure. The deck tips past its critical mechanical angle, rolling off the single-pier supports in slow motion. The massive concrete block crashes into lower layers, sending intense supersonic shockwaves through foundations. Automatic fail-safes sever high-voltage lines, triggering spectacular electrical arc explosions along the broken deck. Thick curtains of pulverized concrete dust and friction smoke billow up, enveloping the collapsed interchange. Emergency drone fleets deploy from regional stations, projecting laser scan matrices over the structural breach. Responders in neon uniforms establish isolation perimeters, confronting the task of analyzing debris mechanics. The girder overturning forces engineers to completely restructure the load-bearing matrix of the bridge. Remediation initiates with autonomous hydraulic survey robots deployed deep into the subterranean strata. Massive automated rotary drilling rigs expand the foundation perimeter surrounding the existing concrete footing. Ultra-high-grade steel cages are lowered into boreholes under high-pressure polymer slurry, stabilizing fluids. High-pressure pumps deploy self-consolidating concrete to establish a monolithic supplementary pile foundation. Robotic arms execute precision hydro-demolition, blasting away degraded concrete with high-pressure water jets. High-strength steel rebar grids are interlaced, fusing old and new foundations into a monolithic block. Digital, modular formwork systems are locked around the pier trunk to prepare for structural enlargement. Ultra-high-performance glass fiber reinforced concrete is cast to jacket and reinforce the pier column. Engineers install an expanded structural crossbeam cap fabricated from alloy steel in a T configuration. Dual anti-overturning elastomeric bearings with hydraulic dampening are aligned via laser surveying instruments. Synchronized hydraulic jacks elevate the box girder back into its plane upon the new dual support. External high-strength post-tensioning tendon bundles are tensed to enhance anti-overturning resistance. An intelligent fiber optic network streams real-time stress telemetry to the municipal command center. The transit infrastructure completes its retrofit, setting a new benchmark for global engineering safety. To prevent future overturning, engineers transition the core logic from fixity to dynamic load management. Automated metal extrusion cells fabricate specialized heavy-duty steel base plates for the new support. Robotically controlled gantries slice through high-density polyurethane to create inner dampening laminates. A specialized automated vulcanization chamber fuses multiple layers of steel plates and synthetic rubber. The new dual isolation bearings enter a digital hydraulic test press to undergo compression testing. Autonomous heavy haulage vehicles transport the alloy steel T-shaped bridge cap beams to the site. Towering twin-mast crawler cranes anchor to the pads to prepare for a synchronized heavy lift. Cranes lift the monolithic T-cap, placing it perfectly symmetrically onto the reinforced pier head. Automated electric torque wrenches lock heavy anchor bolts, establishing a rigid structural node. The digital calibration system positions the twin elastomeric bearings onto the widened crossbeam. Synchronized hydraulic jacks lift the girder, holding the multi-thousand-ton structure on temporary shoring. The girder is lowered onto the dual setup, doubling the lateral support to nullify overturning moments. Automated external tendon tensioning units pull cables through protective casings along the beam walls. Technicians route fiber optic networks through internal cells to monitor load shifting and microstrain. The retrofit concludes as control systems sync the bridge monitoring matrix with the smart city grid. The reinforced infrastructure is integrated with active weight enforcement to eliminate overloading. The chain transitions to metallurgy cells, casting ultra-dense piezo-ceramic composite sensor plates. Automated precision milling machines shape stainless steel outer casings to airtight mechanical tolerances. Robotic arms solder high-frequency internal signal processors onto multi-layered digital circuit boards. The weigh-in-motion array enters a vacuum chamber to receive a waterproof polymer resin coating. At the bridge entry, autonomous cutting tracks carve longitudinal slots into the highway asphalt. Heavy gantry cranes lower the monolithic weigh-in-motion smart strips into the prepared channels. Automated nozzles dispense deep blue epoxy to permanently bind the sensors flush with the surface. Crews route data cables from sensors through internal ducts toward localized control hubs. Overhead, robotic rigs anchor carbon fiber gantry frames spanning the entire highway traffic deck. Mechanical arms mount 3D laser scanners and ANPR cameras to capture real-time vehicle profiles. The hardware connects to high-luminance LED matrices flashing active weight compliance indicators. As freight convoys cross, sub-millisecond weight telemetry streams directly to cloud servers. Vehicles violating axle load thresholds trigger an automatic neon red warning on gantry matrices. Automated hydraulic barriers engage, routing non-compliant cargo away from the critical pier section. Engineers transition to reinforcing structural concrete foundations against long-term chemical degradation. The chain begins at reactors processing advanced nanosilica compound additives for high performance. Automated blending towers mix these particles with sulfate-resistant cement matrices under pressure. Pneumatic pipes transport the dry mixed compound directly into automated carbon fiber storage silos. At the field station, mixers incorporate water and stainless steel microfibers into the compound. The resulting concrete mix undergoes continuous rheology testing via integrated ultrasonic sensors. Autonomous robotic excavators carve wide trenches around the bases of the old concrete piers. High-pressure laser hydro-demolition robots blast away degraded skin, exposing inner steel reinforcement. Automated wire mesh rigs wrap corrosion-proof carbon fiber reinforcing meshes around the columns. Modular steel formwork jackets close around the pier assembly using high-pressure hydraulic locks. Robotic booms pump fluid nanocomposite concrete into the mold to prevent structural layering defects. Pneumatic vibration arrays bolted to the jackets hum to force out any trapped micro-air bubbles. Automated induction heating collars wrap around molds, executing a controlled thermal curing loop. Robotic arms strip the mold jackets, revealing an ultra-dense, mirror-smooth reinforcement layer. Laser scanners execute a 3D geometric survey of the piers to verify 0mm tolerances. The sequence advances to upgrading the main deck with smart aerodynamic dampening barriers. The chain shifts to robotic metal forging lines, processing advanced high-tensile carbon fiber sheets. Mechanical presses bend composites into aerodynamic vortex-shedding wing profiles without defects. High-speed laser cells puncture honeycomb lattice patterns to optimize structural weight distribution. The finished barrier segments enter an electrostatic booth to receive a neon green protective finish. Autonomous flatbed modules transport the bright barrier segments to the elevated installation zones. Multi-axis gantry cranes hook onto the barrier blocks, aligning them with the bridge perimeter. Electric rivet tracks blast titanium fasteners through base flanges to lock them to the concrete. Digital alignment sensors project green laser reference lines to ensure perfect structural continuity. Crews route fiber optic lines from wind pressure gauges through deck channels to relay boxes. Overhead gantry structures position smart LED matrix displays across highway entry points. The system links with regional weather telemetry networks to monitor active aerodynamic loads. As gale winds strike, the aerodynamic barriers smoothly deflect air pressure vectors upward. Real-time vortex telemetry streams to servers, verifying a massive reduction in twisting torque. The system activates blue LED indicator lines, marking the completion of the deck upgrade. With loops retrofitted, engineers initiate integration by deploying thermal sensing drone grids. The deployment chain activates as docking bays release multispectral monitoring drones. Autonomous fleets synchronize flight, projecting laser scan lines across the overpass structure. Infrared arrays capture deep thermal distribution mapping, ensuring zero microfractures exist. Data loops stream to the command station, finalizing the digital twin infrastructure matrix. At the toll plaza, digital signage flashes green compliance indicators for oncoming traffic. The elevated highway system reopens, establishing a global milestone for resilient engineering. High-speed transit and logistics fleets surge across the deck, secure against load shifting. Through precise calculation and material reconstruction, failure transitions into resilient connectivity. This documentary is for education only, based on real sources. Theories are not facts.